Assalamu alaikum dear friends. Today I am going to share some important knowledge that anyone can follow to change their life. Three golden rules. Who is helping you, don't forget them. Who is loving you, don't hate them. Who is trusting you, don't cheat them. No one is perfect. That's why pencils have erasers. Work hard, stay disciplined, and be patient. Your time will come. Don't believe in luck, believe in hard work. Two things to remember in life. Take care of your thoughts when you are alone, and take care of your words when you are with others. Thank you very much. Dear friends, for the more English videos, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.